According to their white paper, Aptus blockchain is designed with scalability, safety, reliability, and upgradability as key principles. The Aptus blockchain has been developed over the past 3 years by over 350+ developers across the globe. Regardless of what anyone can say, we all can agree that blockchain remain the foundation of cryptos, although Ripple would have a thing to say about that. We can also agree that blockchain through Web3 is the next big thing or the future of the internet, and soon we would all do everything one could possibly do on this technology. There are many projects and products flying around here and there, and we have discussed many of them, so that people can understand what these projects is about and what they offer outside the financial point of view. If you are just seeing this channel, kindly take a look at many other videos right after this. What is Aptus? Aptus is the technological successor to Meta's, formerly Facebook, DM blockchain, formerly known as Libra. Aptus is a Byzantine fault-tolerant, proof-of-stake blockchain designed for security, scalability, and upgradability. Aptus utilizes the Move smart contract language, which was created with an emphasis on safety and flexibility. Aptus has been designed for high throughput and scalability and harnesses parallel transaction processing, sharding for horizontal throughput scalability, advanced state synchronization, and modular design. Okay, so if you don't understand all that technical stuff, ignore them. They can be boring at times anyway. The most important point here is that Aptus has been designed to replicate the cloud infrastructure powering Web 2 in a decentralized way, using blockchain technology to pave the way for Web 3 and decentralized applications. Furthermore, Aptus was created by developers from the Meta blockchain project DM and has been called a Solana killer. Guys, haven't we heard similar notion before? Stay with me, this gets interesting. The design for Aptus facilitates extremely high throughput with low latency, faster bootstrapping, security, and resistance to failures and adversarial actors, with optimization for resource constraints. Aptus is a community-driven blockchain that meets the resource demands of Web3 and an ecosystem of decentralized applications solving real-world problems. So, how does Aptus work? Aptus is a proof-of-stake blockchain which uses an advanced Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus mechanism and a set of validators that process, receive, and validate transactions. Token holders stake APT tokens in validators, and this allows validators to have a consensus voting weight which is directly correlated to the number of tokens staked. The consensus voting weight allows a validator to participate in consensus and blockchain governance. Aptus clients are either full node clients, which keep the full record of the Aptus transaction ledger, or light clients, which keep a pruned record of transactions. Both clients query validators for the state and history of the Aptus ledger and submit transactions to be added to the immutable ledger's transaction history. Why is Aptus unique? Aptus stands apart from other blockchain projects, most notably due to its heritage as the successor of Meta's DM blockchain project, which was eventually cancelled. Interestingly, former Meta employees decided to continue to carry out the work of completing the mission of fulfilling Meta's vision for creating a next-generation blockchain which could meet the demands of mainstream adoption. This effort is what has become Aptus. Aptus brings with it Meta's Move smart contract language, which was designed to be safe and reliable and was originally intended for DM. Therefore, Aptus is designed to be secure, extremely scalable and fast, with the ability to be upgradable as needed, with ease, and with zero downtime or risk to users. The modular design of Aptus allows for easy, instant upgrades, which will allow developers to quickly deploy new Web3 technologies as they roll out. Aptus allows for secure private key recovery to alleviate the risk of loss of user funds for forgetting to save a seed phrase or password. Let's wrap this up by looking into Aptus token, also known as APT. The Aptus token is a utility and governance token based on the Aptus token standard, which has several key qualities. First, the APT token is interoperable. It uses a standard implementation which improves interoperability and compatibility across the Aptus ecosystem. The Aptus ecosystem is still very new and consists of validators, the Aptus Explorer, the Aptus token, public and indexer full nodes, and dApps. It focuses on facilitating liquidity by defining fungible, semi-fungible and non-fungible tokens in a single, smart contract. This quality allows tokens to be easily stored, transferred and transacted and helps fulfill the first goal of overall interoperability throughout the Aptus ecosystem. Aptus have a total supply of about 1 billion, a current circulating supply of about 130 million, with a market cap of about $965 million. There are so many things to discuss on this project, but this would give you an idea of what they are building. The Aptus team is led by CEO, Mo Sheikh, former Meta employee, and CTO and co-founder Avery Ching, also a former Meta employee. The duo was responsible for working to create Meta's DM blockchain and Novi crypto asset wallet, so you can tell that they might be up to something. Let us know what you think about Aptus in the comments section. Don't forget that this is not a financial advice, but for educational purpose only.
The Solana network is a public blockchain protocol that optimizes for scalability, which means developers can create scalable dApps using the Solana network. This can then help dApps to circumvent around the performance bottlenecks. Solana uses a proof-of-history timestamp system. Therefore, it enables automatically ordered transactions, working as an internal clock. Not just that, Solana also uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm for securing the network. Therefore, Solana allows for lower settlement times and offer lower transaction costs, which then helps Solana to process more transactions per second as compared to other blockchains. So, what problem is Solana trying to solve? Both Bitcoin and Ethereum, the first and second largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, have been instrumental to the blockchain industry's growth, pioneering many of the technology's contemporary use cases. However, they as well have shortcomings in certain areas, and scalability remains the biggest challenge ahead for both of them. Seemingly endless streams of networks have rolled out solutions to the scaling problem, but none have been entirely successful in their goals. The challenge lies in achieving all three aspects of the blockchain trilemma, which are decentralization, security, and scalability. Therefore, unlike other blockchains, Solana uses a hybrid consensus algorithm that combines proof of history with proof of stake, enabling the network to carry out up to 50,000 transactions per second. While it can theoretically handle up to 710,000 transactions per second, it still manages to handle 50,000 transactions per second on average in the main net. It is worth mentioning that the software is still considered to be in beta status and that Solana faced an outage after heavy bot traffic in September 2021. Let's quickly look into Solana's proof of history. Unlike Bitcoin, the Solana blockchain is not based on proof of work and is also not exactly a classic proof of stake blockchain either. It is powered by a mix between proof of stake and a new solution called proof of history. Proof of history introduces a cryptographic timestamp that enables every validator in the network to identify the correct order of transactions or events. It allows creating a historical record that proves that an event has happened. In effect, all nodes on the Solana blockchain can agree on the time in the network without the need to communicate and agree with each other on what time it is. Instead, each validator is required to run its own clock by constantly solving a SHA-256-based verifiable delay function. The nodes can agree on the time prior to consensus about the transactions, thus creating an environment that can handle more transactions than any other blockchain technology. It is important to highlight that proof of history is not a consensus mechanism from a technical standpoint, but it is critical to Solana's speed since it allows its proof-of-stake blockchain to scale better than many other blockchain technologies. If you are yet to like this video, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Furthermore, the trend around the crypto community is that, as soon as a blockchain is offering smart contract capabilities, the term Ethereum killer is somehow thrown around in the media. This has also been the case with Solana and also many other platforms. However, there is no direct competition between both technologies, but it is true that they both offer DeFi and NFT platforms. Look into Solana's tokenomics. SOL is the native token of the Solana network. It has two primary uses on the network. First, the token owners can use the tokens to stake to help secure the network. In return, the stakers get inflation rewards. Secondly, token holders can also pay transaction fees for smart contracts on the network. Solana was maybe one of the most outstanding blockchain technologies in terms of price movement in the year 2021. With over 35,000% price increase from its all-time low in 2020, Solana is not only one of the top-performing coins, but also in the top 10 according to its market cap. Solana has a total supply of about 508 million plus. Kindly note that we do not give a financial advice, and it's better for you to do your own research before you invest your capital. However, the unique selling point of Solana is its speed and transaction throughput. Apparently, this has caught a lot of attention. Former First Lady Melania Trump and Justin Bieber are offering their NFTs on Solana, and Michael Air Jordan has announced to start a platform built on Solana to connect athletes and their fans. Therefore, there is still more to come from this project. I believe you should have learned a lot about Solana in this video, although we try not to bug you with so much technical stuffs, but we have covered all the important aspect of this project. Let us know what you think about Solana in the comments section, and don't hesitate to let us know what you will like us to discuss. Please like this video and help us grow this community by sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time we post a video on our channel. See you next time.